Good morning traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss NIFTY's market prediction for today using global cues and key support resistance levels. Based on all data, today's market is expected to remain flat and range bound, so let's understand how to trade this kind of market safely. Global market cues breakdown. First, let's look at the global cues, which are showing mixed signals. Nifty indication, JOR 0.01, flat. घटाव 0.67 negative. Asian markets, घटाव 0.17, flat to negative. European markets, JOR 0.06, flat positive. USD INR, JOR 0.12, flat positive. Crude oil, JOR 0.74, ignoring for now. So overall, no strong directional bias is coming from global markets. This clearly supports a sideways or range-bound session. Final market bias. When global markets are mixed like this, Nifty usually respects technical levels rather than trending strongly. So for today, market direction, flat. Nature, range bound. Volatility, limited but tradable. This is not a trending day, but a level-to-level trading day. Support or resistance-based view. Let's now combine this prediction with support and resistance levels discussed earlier. The upper resistance zone will act as a strong selling area. The low support zone will act as a buying or bounce zone. As long as Nifty stays inside this range, we should avoid aggressive trades and focus on small, quick moves. How Nifty may behave today. In a flat market, early morning may show false breakouts. Price may move slowly. Sudden spikes will likely be sold into. So don't trade based on the first 15 minutes. Let the market settle and trade only near levels. Trading strategy for flat market, best strategies for a range-bound market. Buy near support, sell near resistance. Avoid chasing breakouts. Keep tight stop losses. Book quick profits. Ideal for scalpers and option sellers. Directional traders should stay light today. Risk management, very important points for today. Don't overtrade. Don't expect big moves. 1 or 2 quality trades are enough. Capital protection is priority. What can change the view? Only 2 things can change today's flat view. A strong breakout with volume beyond resistance. Or a decisive breakdown below support. Until then, stick to the range-bound mindset. Closing conclusion. So this is the Nifty prediction for today, flat and range-bound based on global cues and technical levels. If you found this useful, like, share, and subscribe.